My channel technical tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install Dev CPP application in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start, and as well as we are going to see how to run the simple CPP code on that application. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Dev CPP, then hit enter. You will get the website to download Dev CPP. So this is the official website for that. So click on that link. Now here you will get the download button for Windows. Click on that button. So you will get this page. Here you have to wait for some time. Then it will download automatically. So you can see it started downloading automatically. Let's wait till download complete. Then we'll see how to install it. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's go to download folder. Then double click on this exe file to install. Then it will ask you to allow this application to download or install in your system. So you just need to click on yes. If you have existing Dev CPP version, then you can't install this in your system. So I don't have existing version, so I'm just going to click on OK. Then we have to select the language, so I'm selecting as English only. Then click on OK. Now here we have to accept the license. Then click on I agree button. So these are the all components for the Dev CPP. We just keeping it as it is. Then click on next. Now this is the folder where your all Dev CPP files will be stored. If you want to change this path, you can directly go to browse button and you can change that. I am going to keep it same. Then click on install button. So it will start installing your Dev CPP application. Let's wait till installation complete. Click on yes. So we have installed it successfully. To run this application, we just need to check this checkbox and click on finish. So it will start automatically down. It will automatically open it. Then now here we have to do the some setup. So click on next only. Now if we have opened our Dev CPP,